Today, if you engage anyone in conversation about their field, they will impress you with their expertise, but as soon as the discussion shifts to other human subjects, it becomes clear that they lack understanding. In this age of screen entertainment, while the body receives adequate sustenance, the mind is deprived, leaving many in a state of mental starvation, rendering human intellect frail and weak, as conversations revolve solely around celebrity gossip, food dishes, wealth, property, cars, jobs, and politics with no room for other topics or interests. In a world where coffee shops are filled with individuals glued to their screens, opportunities for meaningful dialogue are lost. While a library, once a sanctuary for learning, stands underutilized as dust gathers on the shelves, painting a picture of society's dwindling interest in books and education. A young student struggles to engage with a textbook that feels like an insurmountable obstacle, reflecting a growing disconnect from true learning. Meanwhile, a group of friends share lighthearted laughter over celebrity gossip at dinner, oblivious to the deeper conversations that could enrich their lives.